Nigerians, please help me thank this man here. Help me thank this lieutenant here. His name is Lieutenant Colonel Col Ndụbụisi. Please and please thank this man for me. You see the recent, all these recent victories where Nigerian army they get for Banki. All thanks to this man. This man is doing well. He is holding Banki very, very well. For those of you who don't know Banki, Banki is under Bama local government of Borno State. The place where army, where ISWAP attack military, where military unalive more than 30 people. Now this corner they in charge. Like that man is holding Banki very well. He dey feed soldiers very well. Anything wey belong to soldiers, he dey give them. This man they among the few people.
English Alhaji, in as much as I love the fact you're celebrating Lieutenant Colonel Ndụbụisi, but I'm scared he might be targeted. I really fear for his life. That was how that gallant soldier, Lieutenant Colonel Umar, was butchered recently. You know, he was massively celebrated to free one town in Borno last month or thereabout, something like that. And all of a sudden, they targeted and wasted him. The truth is that it is only an Igbo man that is committed to the progress of Nigeria. Yes, I know we want Biafra, but check it out now. Igbo people have sacrificed so much for one Nigeria. Don't worry, I'll address this in another video. Lieutenant Colonel Ndụbụisi, we are proud of you. Obunage moroke. Amaram ne kwadoro akwado. Mana ka Chukwu okike abịa ma chigide gị. Ana m agọrọ gị ọfụma. Taa. You and other patriotic soldiers fighting against those terrorists. Ka Chukwu okike abịa ma chidu unu. Unu agaghị anwụchi ọnwụ. Ndị iro agaghị enweta unu. Ka atụmatụ ọjọọ ọbụla ndị iro nkata ọbụla ha kpara ka ọ laa n'iyi. Ka Chukwu okike abịa ma nye unu mmeri. Unu ga-adị ndụ. Unu ga-adị ndụ. Asị m unu ga-adị ndụ. Jisi n'ike ụmụ Elohim. Ka Chineke nke usu niile nke ndị agha nyere unu aka. Ise. Register your children in our Igbo Academy and see great improvement. If you also want to learn content, DM me. And we have power banks for sale. If you want it, also DM me. 20K, 30K, and 50K mAh. I'm just a DM.